Hey YouTube, Shelka04 here. So in my last video I mentioned that I was going to make something about what order I suggest installing software in. This is that video. So what I recommend you do, and I'll explain why as we discuss it, is I would first install the operating system. That's an obvious. The next thing I would do is I would flash the motherboard BIOS. And the reason being that if you do it later in life, what's going to happen is the new BIOS is going to default back to the standard factory settings, and if you've got a GPU installed by that time, what's going to happen is that GPU is going to override the graphics on the motherboard, and if you've got a monitor plugged into your motherboard, you're not going to be able to see the status of what you're doing. So again, let me say that. Install the operating system, then flash the BIOS, and then change the BIOS from GPU to onboard video, and if you can use a monitor, continue on with that. The next thing I would do is install your antivirus software and have that running basically continuously. And then the next thing I would do is I would upgrade or update the operating system. After that, I would start loading in the mining utilities. Now, the reason I say do it in this order is because a lot of the mining utilities actually have malware and spyware built into them, and in some instances, and it's understandable, that's because in using that software, you agree to allow the person who developed the software to mine on your rig for a minute or two per hour. Them having hooks back into your operating system like that, your antivirus software is going to look at that as a virus. So you need to decide if you're comfortable with that, so be it. Otherwise, don't load it. Now, the other thing is, this is my mining rig, obviously. And I've got a laptop computer that I surf the internet on and have been looking up stuff and things of that nature. At no time have I ever logged in on this box with any of my passwords that are critical to my email or my banking or even my Microsoft account. And the reason is because, as I said, some of the mining software has malware and spyware built into it, and so I didn't want to run the risk of one of those picking up one of my passwords. So keep that in mind. Treat this like a visiting schoolgirl from Haiti coming to visit you and having, everything that goes along with that. As I said, I recommend you not type in any critical passwords that relate to your banking or your email. Other than that, continue on. If you have any questions, let me know, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, I'm going to make a quick video now about component selection and what a bear that is. Okay, if you have any questions, like I said, leave them in the comments. Shelka04 out.